Clean kidneys, intestines, and liver in just 3 days. First, we bring 2 carrots. Peel them and cut them into small pieces. Carrots contain beta-carotene, which protects kidney tissue and is an excellent source of soluble fiber, which aids digestion. Second, we bring an orange, peel it, and cut it into small pieces. Oranges help prevent the formation of kidney stones and promote healthy digestion. Oranges are rich in antioxidants that protect liver cells from damage. Third, we bring a lemon, peel it, and cut it into small pieces. Lemon helps prevent the formation of kidney stones. Lemon juice stimulates the production of stomach acid and bile. Lemon activates liver enzymes that help convert toxins into a form that can be easily expelled. Fourth, we bring a piece of ginger, peel it, and cut it into small pieces. Ginger reduces inflammation in the kidneys, and ginger stimulates the production of digestive enzyme. Ginger stimulates liver enzymes that help break down toxins and remove them from the body. Fifth, we bring an apple, peel it, divide it, and cut it into small pieces. Apples are good for kidney health, and the pectin in apples nourishes beneficial gut bacteria, and apples contain malic acid, which helps the liver remove toxins and heavy metals. Sixth, put 150 milliliters of water in the blender on the contents. Mix all the contents in the blender. Here is the golden drink to cleanse the kidneys, regulate digestion, and cleanse the liver. Drink it daily for a week in the morning. Write to me in a comment if you will try the drink. Share the video with your family and friends to support us. Thank you.